thank you for taking time to speak with us today. We're excited to hear your thoughts on the exhibition. First of all, could you share your overall impression of the exhibition and how you evaluate it?
Thank you very much. The exhibition was very interesting and well organized, and I saw many new machines and technologies. There were many companies presenting innovative solutions. The atmosphere is really professional, and the event was very useful for business networking, and I had a really great opportunity to learn about the latest trends in machinery. Yeah, I think that the exhibition was very successful and valuable.
That's great to hear. It's always exciting to see how these events bring together so many different ideas and innovations. Can you tell us a bit about your purpose of your visit to the exhibition? What were you hoping to achieve, and did it meet your expectations?
My company works in logistics and chemicals, and also in machinery and electronics. And we are involved in international trade and supply chain management. And the purpose of my visit was to find new suppliers and explore new technologies and establish business connections. So, yeah. And I also was looking for high quality machinery.
Okay, let's move into a broader topic. So we would like to get your thoughts on China's manufacturing market. What was your evaluation of it? And more specifically, what's your opinion on Chinese products?
China's manufacturing market is really strong and competitive in my mind. And Chinese machinery is becoming more advanced and high quality. And many companies offer modern and efficient solutions at reasonable prices. Yes, and I think that Chinese products are important for global business because they provide a good balance of quality and, of course, the really good cost.
Thank you. That's a really insightful perspective. Thank you for sharing your thoughts with us. We appreciate your time and looking forward to see more things in your company in the future. So is there anything else you'd like to add about your experiences about the exhibition or your hope for the industry?
Yes, I hope I will learn more about this type of exhibition, and I will come next time. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.